Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to go ahead and get a prop firm using which is PropW, and PropW is actually owned by CoinW. CoinW is an exchange, the crypto exchange similar to Bybit, Binance and the likes. So you can actually get a prop firm using CoinW. So how do you do that? I'm going to show you how to do that in this video. So first thing first, you want to make sure you create an account with CoinW, and my referral link will be in the description below, so you can actually go ahead and create an account. Creating an account is very simple. I don't need to explain how to do that. You just need to go ahead and click on the register and you can go ahead and create an account. Like I said, my referral link will be in the description below, so you can create an account using my referral link, and I'm going to earn a commission when you do that. Thank you very much. Now, with that said, the next thing you want to do is to come to the wallet section and you come to assets, and you want to make sure you deposit USDT into your account. So once you deposited USDT into your account, come to PropW and log in with that same account. You can log in with that same account, or you can actually make use of my referral links to PropW in my description below as well. So once you can actually use your CoinW account and you're going to log in into your PropW, it works. All right, so you scroll down. Once you're done, you scroll down, or you can come to just click on get started, and it's going to take you to this page where you have standard mode and pro mode. So you just have to click on, for standard mode, it's just going to be the standard mode. Why the pro mode is going to be, if you're a professional, you can actually go ahead and hit crazy targets and you're going to get some, it's cheaper. It's cheaper actually, bro. You're going to spend, you have to like beat some crazy targets, which is, we can see right here, phase one and the phase two. So you can see instead of this 5% for pro, you have to beat 1000%, which is a lot. Don't forget to go ahead and join my Telegram channel where I share crypto signals, and I want to make sure we hit some amount of users before I go ahead and start sharing crypto signals again. All right, so coming to the standard, I'm going to purchase the standard instead. Then we have a bundle pack. I'm going to click on this one because I want to purchase the one of 29 USDT, and I already have 29 USDT in my account, so on CoinW. So coming down, you're going to see your payment method. What do you want to use? Do you want to make use of a CoinW, or you want to make use of a credit card? Like I said, CoinW is connected to PropW. So I'll just click on accept, and it's going to show me confirm payment. Now what I have to do is just scroll, and I can read whatever I need to read. Then I click on confirm. Now it's going to ask me to enter my email verification code. Now I've done that and I'm waiting for it to purchase. As you can see, registration completed. So now I can click on trade and I can go ahead and trade with my prop firm account. So once you've gotten the prop firm, now it's time for you to go ahead and trade. How do you go ahead and trade? To go ahead and trade, you need to tap on the trade section here, and it's going to take you to the trade section where you can actually go ahead and place your trade. So let me just go ahead and walk you through what this is all about and how to make use of it in case you're actually new to this. So you already know, I'm sure you're familiar with this kind of interface when it comes to trading. So in order for you to find pairs, you just come to this section here and you click on search, and you're going to find some pairs. Now, not all pairs are listed. Like for example, let's go ahead and search hype. You notice hype is not listed here. All right. So you need to, in order for you to know the kind of pairs that are listed here, you need to go ahead. You can actually make use of this section here and look for the pairs you want to trade and see if you can actually, trade them. So yeah, so now coming, if you click on this section, this way you can find and change your margin mode. If you want to go ahead and make use of cross, you can make use of cross, and you also have isolated. And the maximum leverage is X leverage, because 5x leverage, because that's the amount of leverage you're supposed to use, maximum amount of leverage you're supposed to use when you're trading. Now, when you're trading, you notice we have BNB USDCP. Now, USDCP, it's more like their own currency here, but I think it's similar. It's same thing with USDT, but theirs is called USDCP. I don't know why. So after that, you can place your trade with markets, or you can make use of limits. So once you put in your CP here, you put in amount you want to go ahead and, let's say for example, I want to go in with 1,300 or something. Then I'll click on TPSL, then I'm going to click on here, then put in the figures I want to put in. So let's say I want 10%. I put in 10%, and it's going to show me if the market moves 10%, this is the amount I'm going to get, 129 USDT. All right, so you can put your stop loss as well, and that's all. I don't need to tell you how to do all of this. I'm sure you're familiar with trading. So if you come to the challenge phase one, this is where you can actually see everything about your account. You can see your equity, but you can see, but this is a challenge one. So you need to, so when you get to the, when you get funded, you'll be able to make use of this withdrawal. But you can see you can't make use of this withdrawal because you are still on the challenge. So to withdraw, it will withdraw directly back to your CoinW account, and you can go ahead and sell the USDT on your CoinW, and you can go ahead and do whatever you want to do with it. So if you come to referrals, you can refer your friends, and if you come to agreements and profits, you can see more information about this. You can see your objective, maximum daily loss 5%, and maximum drawdown is 10%. So make sure you don't go below 10%. And if you notice, guys, when I started this video, my account was around $2,000, and now I have about $6 extra on top. This is because I actually placed the trade. And I'm going to make sure I look for it. I think, okay, from dashboard. Yeah, so if you come to dashboard, you're going to see your minimum trading day. You can see the minimum trading day, you can see the profits target, and you can see other informations based on your percentage. So I need to meet the 100 USDT when you make use of USDT. So I need to meet 100 USDT, and I need to trade for a minimum of 5 days in order for me to pass stage one. And I've done trading one, but I'm not okay with it. The market is not moving very well, so I had to just close that trade. But I closed that trade in a little profit, and I got about $6, just $6 there, which is really small. All right. So yeah, so that's it. And it comes to stat and statistics, you can see more information about. You can see the pair actually traded. This is BNB, and I also made a mistake when I was trading. I wanted to make use of I wanted to make it, I think, a 1,300 USDT for that trade, and I made use of no, this is leverage, so 1,300. So and I made a mistake, so I had to cancel that trade and place the trade again. So that's why I have about one trade won and trade loss here. Right. So yeah, so the average loss was 0.06 because immediately I opened the position, I had to close it back. So that's why I have minus 0.01. But this is my average PNL here. So that's it, guys, for this video. I'm sure you know how to go ahead and get a PropW account. I hope you found the video really helpful. If you did, kindly subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to go ahead and join my Telegram channel where I share crypto signals, and I want to make sure we hit some amount of users before I go ahead and start sharing crypto signals again. You can also go ahead and follow us on X, right? Pips and Stacks. Thanks for watching this video. Bye for now, and I'll see you guys in the next video.